Long ago, in a world shrouded by time and mystery, there existed a powerful civilization known as the Giants of Tartaria, whose legacy was obscured by those who sought to erase their existence from history. These giants, once revered as guardians and builders of magnificent structures, had their stories silenced and their achievements buried beneath layers of time, leaving only whispers in the wind. In the shadows of history, a new generation seeks the truth, driven by the belief that the giants hold the key to understanding humanity's ancient past and its connection to the world. As they uncover these hidden relics, the explorers begin to piece together narratives that challenge accepted history, suggesting that the giants were not merely myth, but real beings whose influence shaped the world. Battling both the elements and skepticism, the explorers dedicate themselves to unraveling the enigma of Tartaria, eager to restore the giants' rightful place in history. With each discovery, they grow more convinced that the giants were not just builders, but custodians of knowledge, guardians of secrets long forgotten and buried by time. Driven by an insatiable curiosity, the team pushes deeper into the heart of mystery, believing that the artifacts hold answers to questions about humanity's origins and the significance of the giants in ancient lore. As night falls, they share tales of their discoveries and contemplate the legacy of the giants united in their quest to breathe life into the ancient stories that have shaped civilizations. Reaching new heights, they unveil the statue, realizing it is more than just a relic. It represents the spirit of a civilization that once thrived, filled with wisdom and strength. In that moment, they feel a deep connection to the giants, understanding that their journey is not just about finding artifacts, but about reclaiming a lost heritage and awakening the stories of their ancestors.